question number 20, light passes through two parallel layers as shown. Okay, two parallel layers means what? This angle of incidence I and this emergent angle is equal. Okay, I is equal to that. The refractive indices for light traveling between air and the media as shown in figure is N1 and N2. Okay, what is theta? Oh, that is quite easy. Now see, the misconception where students make a mistake here is that they consider the angle of incidence 50 degrees, which is incorrect. No, this problem is nothing but appropriate usage of Snell's law. Okay, what is Snell's law? If this is my normal, this is my 40 degree, and this is also a 40 degree, which should be my incident angle. Okay, this should be incident angle at this point, and this should be a refracted angle. Now apply Snell's law. How do I apply Snell's law? Once again, students make a mistake. I usually do Snell's law this way. So I take refractive index of this medium multiplied by sine 40 is equal to refractive index of this medium multiplied by sine. Right? That's it. I need not worry about anything else here. So I need to get the value of sine theta over here. So I will write sine theta is equal to pi by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 multiplied by sine 40. Which should now be this 3 goes away, 5 by 4 is 1.25 times sine 40. Okay, so therefore you want to get the value of theta over here. Now let us get the value of sine 40. Most of the angle TDC, so getting sine 40 should not be difficult. Let us set this value and then write sine 40. This is sine 40. So I will write sine 40 here. For trigonometry, sine of this value is 0.6427. And write that 0.6427, which should now be equal to, I multiply this by 1.5. I get the answer as 0.8034. 0.8034. Okay, but that is not what is required here. I need to get the value of sine theta. So sine theta is equal to 0.8034. Theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.8034. Let us get that value. So I get this as, now I need to get the sine inverse of this. It is inverse. Here. Inverse function DMS and it's under inverse over here. Okay. Now if you take the sine inverse, I take my mobile and then do it. So sine inverse of 0.804. This one, get the answer as 50 px. 50. You can try it out with that. So the answer is 50.